In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Wise account to Stripe. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline their financial operations by integrating their Wise account directly into Stripe. By the end of this video, you'll have successfully linked your accounts, allowing for a smoother transaction process. Let's get started. First things first, let's open Stripe. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you have your Stripe dashboard open, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Balances from this menu. This section handles all things related to your financial balances in Stripe, making it the ideal place to begin adding a bank account. There's no need to rush. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Stripe. Now, shift your attention to the right panel of your dashboard. You'll see another set of options here. Look for the button that says Add Bank Account and give it a click. This is where we begin the process of linking your Wise account, and it sets the stage for verifying your identity, which is a crucial step in maintaining the security of your transactions. Speaking of verification, let's move on to that step. To continue, you'll need to click Send Verification. This action triggers an email to be sent to the address associated with your Stripe account. It's essential to have access to this email, as it contains a critical part of our process, the verification link. If you're having trouble finding this email, remember to check your spam or junk folder, just in case. Once you've sent the verification, it's time to head over to Gmail. Open your Gmail account and locate the message from Stripe. In some cases, this could take a few moments, so please be patient. Once you've found that message, open it and look for a button or link that says Verify Identity. This step is crucial. It confirms to Stripe that you are indeed the owner of the account attempting to be linked. After clicking Verify Identity, follow the prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts might include a few security questions or requests for additional information. This step-by-step guidance provided by Stripe is designed to make the process as smooth and secure as possible. Once you complete these prompts, you will have successfully added your Wise account to Stripe. And that's it. By following these steps, you've integrated your Wise account with Stripe, making your financial management even more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.